Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create a watermark watermark on a TikTok application. So you can just download any video on the TikTok application. So I already have one video that I have been downloaded before. So the watermark that I would like to give to you is this with the sounds. So you just need to download any video, and after it's saved into your library, you just need to open the CapCut and open the video that you want to add the watermarks. Go click them, and now we need to bring these straight lines here to stand into the end of the clip. And right after that, we need to add another backgrounds. So you just need to go click this plus button and go visit this stock video and go click this black background, go click add. Next thing we need to do is adjusting the size, because the ratio of the video is quite different. Go make them become fulfilling all of the ratio of the video. And right after that, we need to add a text into this black background by go click the text here. Go click add text, and now we just need to type the name of the watermark that you want to have. Here I will like to type the name of the channel. And right after that, you can also adjusting the size and the positions. And right after you're done typing it, you just need to go visit the animations. And in this animation sections, in the in part, you need to find the slide into the right animations. You just have to like scrolling down until you found this part, this showing right side. Go click them. And then after that, adjusting the speed, I would like to make it like less, or I would like to make it fast. And right after that, go into the loop animations. In this loop animation, you just have to like scrolling down until you find a colorful glitch. Okay, scrolling down again. Okay, here I got it, the color glitch. Go click them to apply it into the text. And now just go click this checklist button, and here is the result of the text appearance. And right after that, we need to add the audio of the TikTok watermark by go back into the main features and go click this audio. And now we need to go click sounds. Oh my bad, we need to go click this extract. And now we need to pick the video that we want to extract it and go click add. And now we just need to adjusting the text or the audio that we want to take for the audio in the watermark. Go click the split and delete for the rest of the part that we don't need for the video. Okay, almost there. The process is almost there. Okay, adjusting the specific part. And here is the result. So that is the way, guys, how to create a watermark like a TikTok watermark. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next video.